In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Kit automation rules. Automation rules in Kit are a simple way to respond to something your subscriber does and then automatically take an action for you. Think of it as a clear when this happens, do that setup. In this example, the event will be someone subscribing through a specific form, and the consequence will be adding one or more tags to that subscriber. Tags are useful because they help you organize your audience and trigger future automations or targeted emails based on interests and behavior. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Kit account and you are on the main dashboard. From the top navigation, click Automate and then select Rules. This is the area where you create and manage these if this, then that connections. Next, click the button labeled Plus New Rule. This opens the Rule Builder, where you will choose two key pieces, the event on the left and the consequence on the right. Take your time here because the clarity of your automation depends on picking the right options. On the left side, you will select an event. Choose the event for when someone subscribes to a form. After you pick that event type, choose the specific form you want this rule to listen for. This is important if you have multiple forms because each form might represent a different lead magnet, topic, or entry point into your list. Now move to the right side where you choose the consequence, or what happens after the event occurs. Select the option to add tags. Then choose the tag or tags you want applied to anyone who subscribes through that form. A helpful tip is to use tag names that clearly match the form's purpose, so later you can quickly filter subscribers and understand why they entered your list. Once everything looks correct, click Save Rule. Saving activates the rule, so new subscribers coming in through that form will automatically receive the tags you selected. If you ever update your forms or tagging strategy, you can return to the Rules section to review and adjust your automation. That covers everything you need to know.